In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image Notion. Let's get started right inside Notion. First, open the page where you want to add and resize your image. This can be any page, a personal notes page, a project dashboard, or a shared workspace. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can add content to the page. You can click anywhere on the page body to place your text cursor and prepare to insert the image. Next, you're going to use a Notion shortcut to add an image block. On a new line, type a / followed by the word image. So that's / then image. As you type, Notion will show you a list of options that match what you're writing. This is called the / command menu, and it's a quick way to add different kinds of content. When you see image appear in that list, you're ready for the next step. Now click on image from the menu. This tells Notion that you want to insert an image block at that spot in the page. As soon as you do this, Notion will show you different ways to add an image. You might see options like uploading from your computer, pasting a link, or using another source. For this tutorial, we'll focus on uploading a file from your device. Go ahead and click on the Upload File option. This will open a file picker window from your computer. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Take a moment to choose the image you want to use in your Notion page. It could be a screenshot, a graphic for a presentation, or a photo you want to embed in your notes. Once you've found the image, select it and confirm your choice. Notion will upload the file and place it directly into your page as an image block. Give it a second to load, especially if the image file is large. Now that your image is on the page, you can resize it. Move your mouse over the image and look for the small handles that appear on the sides. Click and hold one of these side handles, then drag it left to make the image smaller, or right to make it larger. Release the mouse when you're happy with the size. You can adjust it as many times as you want until it fits nicely with the rest of your content.